Morning, Tensor friends. I got a book review here. Introduction to Tensor Analysis and the Calculus of Moving Surfaces. Long title. By Professor Pavel Grinfeld. He also has a YouTube channel called Math the Beautiful. It's good. He's a very entertaining professor. I like him. Um, Now, whether a book is good or bad or somewhere in the middle depends on where you are in your path, right? So let's say you were like me and hadn't been to school in a long, long time, and you needed to start from the beginning. Well, this is not the book. You want this book. A Student's Guide to Vectors and Tensors by Professional Daniel the Flesh. This is an excellent book. Excellent, excellent, excellent. It will get you up to tensors, and then you're ready for tensor the calculus. So if you're new, start here. If you're not new, this is a very good book. Now, this book is broken into three sections. I guess that's why the title is so long. So the first section, which he calls Tensors in Euclidean Space, goes through all of the normal things that you expect to see. He does throw in some linear algebra, which I thought was cool. And he doesn't do a lot of derivations in here. He leaves them as homework assignments, which is fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But you're not going to learn a lot of where a lot of tensor expressions come from in this book. You're going to have to add something to that. He does give in various sections a little historical, the background of where this comes from. I love that. I think that's excellent. I'm always interested in that. Where does this come from? Who thought of it first? Why did they use it? So I think that's really great. Now, the second section is called Tensors on Surfaces. So this is differential geometry. And this is what I used to do my videos on the Gaussian, the curvature, because I knew absolutely nothing about that. So I used this book, and I used Professor Jim Fowler's YouTube channel called Tensor the Calculus. So between these two things, I was able to understand what Gaussian curvature is. And you need to understand that if you're going to do differential geometry, because it is the beginning of differential geometry. So this section, for me, was excellent. Now, the last part of this book, the calculus of moving the surfaces, is all absolutely brand new to me. Okay, here is where it starts differential geometry, and then here is the foundations of the calculus of moving those surfaces. So you're going to take tensor calculus and apply it to moving things. In other words, the time derivative. So this is brand new to me. I haven't gotten very far, but it is very, very good. I love this. I love this part. Okay? So overall, depending on where you are in your path, this is a very, very good book. Highly recommend it. All right, see you later.